First at 4, 2 women accused of murdering a 3-year-old girl in Kapolei face a judge for the first time in the case.
One of them is the child's mother, who was arrested by police 8 months after the child's death. A warning, the details you're about to hear are disturbing.
Anthony Ferrer.
Bail is $7 million for each case.
That's correct, Your Honor. The state asks the court to confirm bail in the amount of $1 million.
Janae Perez and her girlfriend of 4 years, Ashley Utley, are accused of killing 3-year-old Sarai Perez Rivera and also starving and abusing her 3 siblings for years. Sarai died last June. She was unresponsive when officers were called to the family's home in Kapolei.
First responders found Sarai malnourished and pulseless.
In court Friday, her mother shook her head when a prosecutor mentioned the alleged abuse.
This case involves the starvation and murder of the defendant's 3-year-old daughter, as well as the starvation, beating, and restraint of at least 2 other children in the care of both defendants.
Police say Perez blamed the child's death on Sarai's 5-year-old brother, but newly released court documents lay out the disturbing details that HPD uncovered during its investigation. It says Perez and Utley denied using physical discipline and instead punished the children by feeding them fish and sauerkraut. But police interviewed Sarai's 6-year-old sibling, who said he was repeatedly hit with a belt by his mother. He also said his sister was making noises he described as weird and suffering on the day she died. Also, Sarai's 5-year-old brother told police he did not harm her that day. He also told an investigator Sarai went up to see Jesus and asked if Jesus had food in heaven because his mother says Jesus does not have food.
Through the investigation, it was learned that Janae and Ashley limited Sarai and her siblings' intake of water and food. Janae and Ashley did not allow them to eat often and only allowed them to drink 8 ounces of water a day.
Investigators examined Perez and Utley's cell phones and found videos of Sarai in distress and also of the children barricaded in their bedrooms. Police also interviewed family members, including the child's grandmother, who said she confronted her daughter about the alleged abuse and also reported it to Child Welfare Services. Forensic pathologists determined Sarai died from the combined effects of dehydration and starvation.
Defendants, the state will note, are also facing enhanced sentencing given the torturous circumstances by which the minor victim died and the fact that she was under the age of 8.
There is the presumption of innocence. My clients are innocent until proven guilty.
The judge denied a bail reduction and confirmed that Perez and Utley each be held on $1 million. They're scheduled to return to court on Tuesday. Anthony Ferreira, Hawaii News Now.